By 2025, it is estimated that India will become the third largest construction market across the globe. In a climate-stressed world, the building sector will continue to remain one of the most significant contributors to carbon emissions. But there is a growing community in India that is making the green building movement stronger every day. In Pune, Sandeep Sonikra is a private developer who has built an environment-friendly apartment complex with the help of a rating system called Griha.
Griha provides a green building certification system which addresses this particular class of buildings. It captures energy efficiency, it captures water use, it captures building materials. Together, it provides you and me with a measure of the greenness of the building and how it would perform.
In one of the seminar which we attended, we came to know about the Griha and the rating system. And then we decided to follow the Griha rating system for our new project, that is the Royal Orange County, which we started in 2013. In terms of materials, we have a very different ideology since our earlier projects to calculate the carbon footprint of the project. And after doing calculation of carbon footprint, we found that cement is one of the most crucial element. So we tried to replace cement wherever possible. And we found lime is the best alternative to cement. We have tried to be almost 100% on solar energy. So everything in the apartment, light, fan, TV, computer, refrigerator, this works on solar energy generated at site.
An apartment complex of 207 flats generating 120 kilowatt peak of solar power, treating 250 kiloliters of sewage through a low-maintenance natural STP, and a rainwater harvesting capacity of 12 lakh litres. No wonder the residents of Royal Orange County feel the difference.
Royal Orange County में हम 2-3 साल से रह रहे हैं यहाँ पे. एक दी बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस रहा मेरा यहाँ पे. जैसे पहले जहाँ पे रहते थे हम, ऐसा कुछ देखने को नहीं मिला कभी. ग्रीन डेवलपमेंट.
This is not only the marketing features. Actually, it's we are feeling its benefit in terms of daylight, natural lights, and ventilation, and saving in the light bills. We cannot imagine 150-200 bucks as a per month billing.
The green building movement in India will have significant impact once its value is acknowledged at a city level. The Municipal Corporation of Pimpri-Chinchwad, a newly developing city on the outskirts of Pune, is among the first civic bodies in India to adopt Griha.
Griha helps us to make the city much more carbon neutral, and hence as a city corporation we have decided to offer some of the incentives through property tax rebate or through reduction in development charges for the developers who are coming for certification of green buildings.
Griha's sharp focus on adapting itself to varied local conditions makes it attractive for architects and developers.
See, India is a big country and we have got as environment is directly related to the geographical and topographical conditions. You can't apply same norms of Delhi to Chennai and Maharashtra to Calcutta and all those things. Here is where Griha has made city-wise, region-wise criteria, and then it is easier for the individual developer to adopt it.
The whole idea of Griha came because we wanted to make something for the kids, being a school, from which they can learn from a very ground level. Because we also want to experiment that how a green building can add value to the building as well. I guess the main feature of my building would be the architecture. So if you see the architecture, so every space has natural lighting coming in. The second part of my architecture is the sunken courts. So my building has lower ground floor, which is 6 feet below ground and 6 feet above ground. But if you see the lower ground, you will see tremendous of lighting again because we have 3 sunken codes.
I think what is the great advantage of Griha, the way we have seen it here, is that the focus is basically on the design side and not first and foremost of having all kind of nice technical gadgets here, which makes it much more sustainable, because basically you want to have a system which is relatively easy to maintain and which takes into consideration local conditions and local materials and can easily be adapted elsewhere also.
While Griha caters to large institutional buildings, the Griha Council and TERI have jointly developed another rating system known as Swagriha for small buildings. Bhajan Dhaba, a highway restaurant near Delhi, is an unlikely building for a Swagriha rating. But for the Bedi brothers, who grow their own food, cook with biogas and use recycled materials for their furniture, this was just a natural choice.
The main idea, it never occurred to us one night. It did not happen one night suddenly. Basically, we were so inclined towards nature and we thought, why not make it organic? So that is how it clicked. Everything came together. We were talking to people that we want to make something green. A common friend, I guess, suggested us that there is a guy named Tanu Bhatt who's our architect now.
Swagriha is a smaller version in the green building rating system of Griha, and it's extremely simple to adopt and comply with the building that we are making. And in order to follow Swagriha principle, those are same as that of what we make in usually our buildings, which have a following towards natural ventilation, daylight and thermal comfort. So these are the 3 factors which we followed.
Over the years, it has developed, it has evolved as a very robust rating system. The rating has covered constructions related to small houses, 2 large developments for new constructions as well as for existing buildings.
Every Griha building helps to reduce, among other things, 30 to 40% operational cost with negligible impact on project cost, 30 to 50% energy consumption and 40 to 65% building water consumption. Finally, it's not just savings but also a sense of well-being that makes the adopters of Griha a happy community.
We are very happy with the results we see so far. We have much lower energy consumption that we had before.
People do enjoy our food. They love the idea. They leave with a feel-good feeling. So I guess that is the biggest feedback, the smiles on their faces.
Someone comes, my kid comes. You know, 2 or 3-year-old kid comes and they see Griha building from the beginning, or the parents come and they see the Griha building from the beginning. So this will impact them.